Good morning, students. How are you today? It's always good to have you here with me. So today, I want to take my time to go over your student books and show you some things that I thought are very important and that we don't need to be so fast with the book because as you can see, many students are being left behind. So we'll go a little bit faster, then we'll go 2 steps backward. So I'll be taking you back to the ones we've done before, just to highlight on some certain areas that I think are of importance to you. Okay, let's go take a look. So as you can see from here, this is our unit 1, things for school. Just a review. I am Scott. I am. So this is what we call contraction form. I apostrophe M. What's your name? What is your name? Your is what we're looking at. Your bicycle, your sister, your parents, your pen. My name is, my school, my teacher. So when you want to ask a question, you use what we call question words like what is your name. When you want to know the reason, when you want to know something, say, what is this? Excuse me, sir, what is this? Excuse me, teacher, what does this mean? What is the meaning of this? What is? What is? Where is? When you want to know a place, the location. Where does he live? Where do they stay? Who are they? Who are you? All these we call what? Question words. Why is that? Why? You want to know the reason why. Why did you do that? Okay? So my name is Kate. What is your name? What is your name? Her name? His name? What are their names? Now using are. You can also use is. Now when you have our subject pronouns, I, you, we, they, he, she, it. What is your name? My name is Kate. I am. What is? I am. I am a teacher. I am. I am. What is important to me is this I, this my, and me. So these are the things we have to be working with. So that is why I'm back here again trying to refresh your memory about everything we've done in the past. Like I've told you before, each time you see let's move, then what should readily come to mind is verb, the doing things, the things that we do. You see, this one, stand up, sit down, make a circle, make a line. Stand is a verb. Sit is a verb. Make is a verb. Make a circle, make a line. Okay? So stand up, sit down. Let's stand up. Let us stand up. Don't forget your verbs. I explained to you these verbs, they are very important. We'll be using them a lot. In every sentence, you must see them. Okay? So here, they told us about a few of them. Stand, sit, make, and make a circle, and make a line. So when we're talking about verb, we're talking about the things that we're doing. So when you're doing something, you're talking. Talk is a verb. Looking at someone, it's a verb. Boxing, running, singing, dancing, also climbing, all these things, we call them what? A noun. But the things that we do, swimming, don't forget. I also told you that these verbs, they come in different forms. They call what you call the base form, the simple past, the past participle, but that is not for your grade. But it's important that you know that this verb, they come in different forms. Okay, as we go higher, we'll be looking at all of them one at a time. Okay, when they tell you let's learn more, you see here they're talking about objects like pencil, like pen, like bag, like book. All these ones are what? Name of something. These are nouns. Okay, I have a pencil. And when they use a, that means what? One pencil. We call a and an article in English language. So we use them, put them before a noun. Okay, like here you have a pencil, a pen, a bag, a book, an eraser. You see, why do we use an eraser here? Because you see here, eraser starts with E, and E is what? A vowel sound. The vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U. You see here, E is a vowel sound. That's why we use an. The same goes for an apple. Apple starts with A, which is what? A vowel sound. So say an apple. But that an apple means it is one apple. Okay, just like you have a ruler, it means one ruler. And when they are more than one, when they are one, we call them singular. And when they are more than one, we call them plural. Okay, so you have a chair, or a desk, one desk, then you have two desks with S. See, a chair, chairs, ruler, rulers, and eraser, erasers, when they are the plural form. You must not forget it is, he is, she is, they are, you are. These should be our keywords. Watch out for this. It is. We'll be using them a lot. As you can see, there is no page you go to, you will not find something that is related to that. How do we ask questions? What is this? I told you this is used for one thing when it is close to you. Okay? It is a pen. What is this? It is a pencil. This is used for one thing when it is close to you, and that is used for one thing when it's far from you. Okay? Then when that is what we call the singular forms of it. But when there are many, as you can see as we go forward, here again they're talking about what? To practice the words. All the things you see here, you see map, marker, globe, table, poster, crayon. These are names of things. So they are nouns. And all these nouns, you can form the singular and plural of all the nouns. Because have what they call the countable nouns and the uncountable nouns. The nouns that we can count and those ones that we cannot count. Okay? So here we're focusing on the ones that we can count. So we don't get students confused with a lot of grammatical jargons. So here, this is. What I want us to be looking at here, say this is, because it is this, THIS is. But if it is many, we use these, THESE, these are, because there are many. So when we use this, our verb be or auxiliary verb is what is, because what is a singular verb. But when we use these, meaning we have more than one. So this one changes to what? Are. And the noun that comes after it must be in plural. Okay? We're going to see some example when we go further. We see here, this one is very interesting. Is this a poster? How you ask a question. Because a poster is just one item. And we want to ask the question, say, is this, and you can see the poster is very close to the person who is asking the question. Is this a poster? Is this a map? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. This is a question. Is this a poster? Yes, it is. Yes, it is what? A positive answer, a positive sentence. See, the second one said, is this a map? This is also a question. And he said, no, it isn't. No, it isn't means what? It's a negative sentence because of it is not. It's because of not. That is why we call a sentence negative. Okay? It is a globe. It is a globe. This one means positive sentence. If they say it is not a globe, that means negative sentence. I am a teacher. Positive sentence. I am not a teacher. Negative sentence. Am I a teacher? That's a question. You are a student. Positive sentence. You are not a student. Negative sentence. Are you a student? Question. So you see, in English language, we have three patterns of, sentences. One is negative, one is positive, and the other one is question. And we have them like that all the time. So you watch out for it. How do we ask questions, or how do we change our positive sentence to negative or negative to question? Okay? No, it isn't. It is a globe. Is this a table? And you see, because we are using this, and you see our verb here is because this is this, which is one thing. That's why we use a table, which is also a noun, which is one thing. Our is the verb be here. This is trying to tell us about the noun, a table. Is this a table? Yes, it is. Is this a crayon? No, it isn't. It is a marker. Here again, you see, is this a crayon? Is a question. No, it isn't. It's a negative sentence. It is a marker. This is a positive sentence. Is this a book? Is this a book? Is this a book? Yes, it is. Positive sentence. Is this a book? No, it isn't. Negative sentence. Okay? So this is our alphabet. And here I was telling you about the A. You see this one? A, E, I, O, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5, we call them what? Vowels in English language. And the ones that are not vowels, like this one, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These ones we call them what? Consonants. Consonants. So you have 26 alphabets. 26 alphabets. We take away 5 of our vowels. The remaining 21 are called consonants. We'll be using these words a lot in class. We talk about consonants, talk about the vowels. Okay? This is my pencil. This is your pencil. You see, we're talking about possessive adjective again here. Your pencil. My pencil. How to use this my, your, his, her, their, our. Those are the things we have to be focusing on. Okay? So we have to take it easy. Don't need to go too fast. so that I'll make sure that everyone is being carried along. Okay? And I want you also to go back and look at some of these things and see if you can be able to read them yourselves. Is this your eraser? Yes, it is. Is this your pen? No, it isn't. Is this your eraser? This is a question. Yes, it is. It's a positive answer, a positive sentence. Is this your pencil? Is this your pen? No, it isn't. Isn't. That is not. Not is what makes our sentence to be what? Negative. Okay? So that is all about it for Unit 1. I just want to take my time. Maybe tomorrow you can go back again to Unit 2 and we'll start like that. So because I understand we're going very fast and some students are almost, when I go back and ask you what is this, you start staring at me, like a television. I don't like that one. So we have to go back and forth. We'll go a little bit forward, then we'll come back again and take a look again. So same goes here. What are these? Okay, see what I was telling you. See here, because we have so many CDs. So that's the reason why we use are. The first one, the other one we are using what is this. But now we're using what are these. Can you see that? We're using these because these is what the plural. That means many. That's why we are using are, which is a plural verb. Okay? These are CDs. This is like when you have a lot of things and they are near you, we use these. But when they are far away from you, you say those. You change this E-S-E to O-S-E. It becomes those. Okay, see here, what is this? Because this is one. That's why we use is. What is this? Number 2, what is this? This, because we use is because this is one thing. Okay? So what are these? We use these because there are many, and that's why we use are. They are computers. I, you, we, they are, you are, he is, she is, it is. We use it. Where do we use it? We use it for objects, for things, for animals. But we don't know their gender. Okay? Then we use he and she. I've explained this again and again, but I'm not going to stop because that is the reason for being here. They are computers. You see our computer, we added S to the computer because of what? Are. And that's why we use they. When there are more than one, we use they. It is a computer. But because there are more than one computer, we use they are computers. Okay? What is this? What are these? What is this? What are these? The first one is talking about one thing. The second one line is talking about what? Many things. Okay? I don't want this video to be too long. Let me check and see how long the video has been running. Okay, I think it's about, whoa, it's almost 20 minutes. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm going to round up this video real quick. Okay, and I have stuff that we've got to do related to what I've just taught you. So I'll be posting that on your Facebook page. Okay, so you take on that one, or possibly we're going to come back to here and do the review together. See how time flies. Okay, but it's okay. You see here again, how many books, how many markers, how many notebooks. We use how many to know something. Okay, we know the number of things. How many books do you have? How many markers? What is your name? Why are you crying? Where are you from? What is that? Why is that? Okay? So I'm going to stop this video right here. In as much as I have other things I had wanted to show you, but we don't have all the time to do that now. Okay, but it's I think this is cool because if I've taken time to explain some few things that I for sure I know is going to help a lot of students today to get back online. Okay, be nice to your parents and see you when you see me. Bye for now.